Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be making another Venn diagram to be able to compare and contrast two books. So we have our book Sunbread, which you read on Monday, and that book was about a town who was experiencing snow, and they really wanted the sun to come back, and so a baker makes a sun bread. And the sun comes and all the animals are very, very happy. On Tuesday, you read Thunder Cake, which is a book about a farm with a grandma and a granddaughter, and they have a thunderstorm happening. And the granddaughter feels afraid of the thunder, and so her grandmother decides to make something called Thunder Cake with the granddaughter to help her not be afraid. So when we do a compare and contrast of two books, it's really great for there to be two things for one book, two things they both have, and then two things for the other book. So I put these squares here for you to know that. I'm going to start, and the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to change my color, and this is where I change my color over here. So something that I know both of these books have that are the same is that both of the books, there is something to do with weather. So I'm going to put a sun, a cloud, snow, because there was snow in Sunbread at the beginning. I'm going to do a snowman. Okay. So both of these books have something to do with weather changing, okay? Now, for the one down here, I'm going to let you do that one. So I'm not going to put something there, but that's for you to put another thing that makes these two books the same. Now I'm going to go to Thunder Cake. Well, something that happens in Thunder Cake is that they're talking about a thunderstorm. They weren't talking about a thunderstorm in Sunbread. They were talking about there being snow. So I'm going to draw thunder over here and lightning. And I'm going to draw on this side, I'm going to draw a rain, because in the beginning of this story of Sunbread it was raining. And it was snowing. Okay. Now it's your job to find out another way Sunbread is different and another way Thunder Cake is different, and one more way they are the same. That's your job. Okay, friends? All right. Great job. I'm excited to see what you put.